Hello everyone. I am going to put 4-stroke small engine oil into my Westinghouse generator for the first time. I have to reach underneath the generator to this yellow cap. I'm going to turn counterclockwise to remove the cap. It has a oil level gauge. The bottom of the gauge says L for low, and the top says H for high. I am going to pour the oil into that hole with using a funnel that came with the oil. I'm going to place it in the hole like so, and then I'm going to pour the oil into the funnel, and then every so often I'm going to stop pouring and let the oil settle a little bit, and then take a reading to see that I have at least midway of this gauge of oil. Okay. I have a rag just in case I spill. So I'm going to open up the container. Oh, it's still sealed. Okay, just going to break the seal. I didn't plan on this being so sealed. I have to run over and get something to cut that seal. Okay, so I have something that should be able to cut this. I'm just going to try to peel it off. Okay, I made a hole, and then I'm going to pour it in. So there it goes. Oh, I spilled. Okay, so I made a mistake, and it's overfilled. I have to pour very, very slowly. I'm just glad I have this rag underneath now. See, you gotta pour, and then let it go in. This is my first time doing this. I've never run this generator before, but I have electricians coming to my house to do some maintenance and upgrade. So I need to be able to use my generator. So I'm preparing the generator to run my internet and my computer even when they shut the electricity off. All right, so now I'm letting the oil settle a little bit. Then I'm going to place the gauge back in and turn it clockwise to send it all the way in. Then I'm gonna turn it counterclockwise, and let's see the reading. I really can't make out any reading on this, so I think I need to put some more oil. I have 2 bottles, so excuse me, I just sneezed. I have 2 bottles of oil just in case. I just wished I did not spill so much though. So I'm going to continue pouring into the funnel. Just keep going. All right, so now let me try, give it some time to settle, and then I'll put the cap back on and take another reading. Okay, so now I'll put it back in. My hand's a little slippery from the oil that spilled over. All right, that's closed. Let me open it back up and see if there's a reading on the gauge. I see it's just above the L. See that glimmer? It's just above the L. So I haven't even put a whole bottle in yet. So I have to put the entire bottle in. I may need 2 bottles, but let's see. I'm going to continue pouring the oil in slowly. Don't want to spill again like I just did before. I'm just going to try to put the entire bottle, since I poured about half of the bottle, and the gauge or reading was just low. So I believe this whole entire bottle might be needed. Okay, so let me let it settle a little bit and take another reading. Luckily I have an extra bottle. Oh, it's leaking. It's actually filled. It's leaking. So it took the entire bottle to start spilling over. Oh, that's a waste. I should just close it up. Don't want to lose all my oil. So now it's high. I don't know if high is bad. I don't need to take the gauge out anymore because I know it's coming out of the I don't know the name of that area. I'm just gonna put my funnel on the bottle like that, and that's the way you put oil in the generator. But hopefully next time I don't spill any. I'll have to stop a little bit earlier and take a reading before, but I know that the generator takes almost an entire bottle of oil. It's 4-stroke small engine oil. Okay, thank you for watching.